Samas. When two or more words are joined together according to some rule, it is called as Samas. The meaning of the two words is also combined in the Samas. For understanding the Samas, we must know that the word of the Samas is made up of two components. These components are called as Padas. The first component is known as Purva Pada and the second one is known as Uttara Pada. Let's understand this through an example. Chandra Suryau. Chandraha cha Suryaha cha. Here Chandraha is the Purva Pada and Suryaha is the Uttara Pada. If you are confused with the difference between Samas and Sandhi, please watch the video dedicated to it. There are four main types of Samas. Avyayi Bhavaha, Tatpurushaha, Bahuvrihihi and Dvandvaha. Dvandvaha Samas is further divided into two categories, namely Itaretar Dvandva and Samahar Dvandvaha. In this lecture, we would be discussing about Itaretar Dvandva. The characteristics of this Samas include that in Vigraha, meaning of both the Padas is equally important. We have to write Vigraha in this format. Example, Chandra Suryau. The Vigraha turns out to be Chandraha cha Suryaha cha. The easy trick to identify this Samas is that Samasta Pada is always in Prathama. Samasta Pada is in Dvivachan or Bahuvachan and Vigraha has cha in it. Let's look at some examples. Balaka Balikaha. Balakaha cha Balikaha cha. In this example, since there are many kids, there are many boys and many girls, we have used Bahuvachan. Chhatra Shikshakau. Chhatraha cha Shikshakaha cha. In this example, through the main word only, we can understand that we are talking about two subjects. That's why Chhatraha and Shikshakaha are in Ekvachan each. Shikshaka Chhatraha. Shikshakaha cha Chhatraha cha. In this example, Shikshak and Chhatra are in plural, i.e. Bahuvachan forms. That's why we have also used Bahuvachan forms in the Vigraha. Another example is Rama Lakshmanau. Ramaha cha Lakshmanaha cha. Rama Site. Rama cha Sita cha. Khaga Pashavaha. Khagaha cha Pashavaha cha. Patra Pushpa Falani. Patrani cha Pushpani cha Faladi cha. The important thing to note is that Vachana in Vigraha is according to the meaning. Now it's time to practice. Answer a few questions before we proceed so that I will understand that you have understood the topic till here. If you have any doubts, then feel free to ask them on the Sanskrit site